and we are together developing and rolling out a concrete recycling business. Now, people might think, well, concrete's recycled all the time. Well, concrete is downcycled all of the time. So what classically happens is the construction and demolition waste is essentially processed as a mass, and often the concrete bits are really helpful because that raises the value of the really tricky, very small bits that are often containing soils and other bits and pieces. They get blended, and then they form like a fill material, which is the stuff that goes in holes in the ground in development projects. If you're reprofiling land to build a warehouse or that kind of stuff, these products that are mixed sizes, that they form a structural sort of base, the lower end of the base. So lots of that sort of thing gets used in construction. And the thing about that type of recycling is you can knock a thing down, process it on site, and chuck it back in the hole. And we thought, well, there's got a lot of value being lost there, because concrete is made out of good quality, very clean aggregates and sand, and very expensive cement. Is a way of processing it differently to get it back into concrete, frankly. So we spent a couple of years looking at kit to do this, and we've worked out how to buy and use it, and we can take concrete apart into its three main constituent bits, and then make new concrete with old concrete. So instead of going down the value chain, we can do like for like recycling. Now, obviously, the rocky bits, the aggregates are, well, they've been around millions of years, so the fact they've been in concrete for 30 years doesn't make too much difference. So they're in good shape. Sand, which is the next size down, comes out really well. And then, of course, the old cement has sort of done its job at being cement, so it can't just be cement again. What it can do is it can replace some of the cement in a new concrete. And you can also sequester CO2 in that powder as well, up to 60 kilos a ton. Which is better than not doing it. We made concrete out of second-hand aggregates and second-hand sand, and we used 30% of our powder, if you like, replacing the cement in the new concrete, and therefore we had a 35-40% CO2 improvement. And for those people that do concrete, they know that yes, you have to take care of the materials, but ultimately it's a relatively basic product.